If you love turban styles and you are always struggling to tie it, worry no more. I have a perfect tutorial for you with your jersey material to achieve simple turban style by yourself as a beginner. So without your jersey material, take it up like this and tie a knot at the end of it. You see the way I tie it? And then pull it snugly and then tuck in that knotted part like this. Yes, knot it like this. Then put it from back of your head. I put my hair in a bun to kind of like make the bun more visible. So you can see I bring it forward and arranging it snugly on my head. Now that I make sure that it's snugly on my head, I'm just tying a single knot in the front like this. You can use a rubber band or hair tie, but I decided to tie it snugly in the center in front like this. It's well secure and snuggy. Yes, can you see? And now we're going to create our style number 1. That knotted part is going to add more beautiful to my style number 1 compared to if I use a hair tie or rubber band. So I'm just rolling each side after folding it up in the center. So I roll it in a loose, twisted manner like this. And I tuck it in at the back on each side. And it's as simple as that, my queens. Isn't this simple? You can do it. And you can see a simple turban style that you can rock for everyday look, to work, to church, and even to Owambe. And you will look beautiful and classy. What do you think about this style number 1? So this is going to be our turban style number 1. Yes, turban style number 1. I love this simple style. This style is so beautiful. And you can see we did not even waste time. In less than 2 minutes, you are done with this style. You can do it. Give it a try and let me know what you think. So let's go for our style number 2. So we loosen up the twisted parts and then we're going to twist it together in front instead of rolling it on each side this time around. You see? I just twisted it in front. And then bring the twisted part in a circular part and tuck it in to form a donut shape. Yes, donuts that you can eat. I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, so I just tuck the twisted part in a circular motion to form a circular donut shape. And that's it. This is our style number 2. Another simple style from the same base that we created, guys. Very simple. Very simple. You can see. So let's go and now tie that knotted part that we used to secure our scarf snugly in order for us to create our style number 3. Yes, I'm going to use the ear tie. Yes, I can still leave the knotted part. But I try to show you that there are so many ways you can achieve that your turban look. So I'm going to be creating small folds with my hair tie. You see the way I'm folding it? So I'm not using just one ear tie or one rubber band, guys. So I'm just going to create some folds because we're trying to create ruffle style. Yes, ruffle turban style. So I've created 3 folds like that. If your scarf material is long, you can create as many folds as you like. But 3 folds, 4 folds, that's good. So in my case, I just created that 3 folds and I tuck in the excess at the back. See what the fold is looking for. I will advise you to use a ear tie that match your fabric. But for this tutorial purpose, I'm using the black hair tie so that you can see what I'm doing. And I'm just pulling apart the folds that I create to form ruffle. You can see what that ruffle is looking like. A very simple ruffle, guys. Yes, very simple ruffle. Look at that. Isn't this good? Can't you rock this to work? Can't you rock this to church? Or even for your everyday look. And you can now create that ruffle to go in a circular motion like this. Instead of just in a straight line, I just use my hand to arrange it to form a circular shape. If it doesn't want to cooperate, you can use a pin, but I'm using my brooch in the center to make sure that it stays where I want it. I'm going to tuck in the ends of the scarf to make sure that circular form a big roots, and I attach that brooch for more elegancy. And that's it for our style number 3. Super simple and beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you're going to share these simple turban styles with somebody today. If you're watching me for the first time, this is African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. I teach you how to tie super simple turban head wrap style that you don't have to sweat. And this tutorial is one of such tutorial. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe today. For the final design of this turban style, I'm just using that same jersey material from front to back and crossing it at the back. See how I cross it. I just make sure that turban scarf is snuggy on my head. Then I bring it to the front center like this and create a twist. But this time around, I'm not forming a donut. I'm just going to tuck in the twist at the back. And this is the simplest style anybody can tie. Yes, the simplest style anybody can tie. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get notification when I upload tutorials like this. And I will see you in my next tutorial. Peace.